Have you ever wondered which tool is better for your AI projects? Today, we'll compare Open WebUI and Anything LLM. Both tools help you interact with AI models, making it easier to create and test applications. They offer unique features that can enhance your workflow. Let's start with Open WebUI. This tool is user-friendly and designed for those who want a simple interface. It allows you to quickly set up and manage your AI models. You can easily customize settings and get results in no time. It's great for beginners and those who prefer a straightforward approach. Now, let's talk about anything LLM. This tool is more advanced and offers a wider range of features. It's built for users who need more control over their AI models. You can dive deep into customization and tweak parameters to fit your specific needs. It's perfect for developers who want to push boundaries. So, what are the key differences? OpenWebUI focuses on ease of use, while anything LLM gives you more flexibility. If you want a quick setup, OpenWebUI is the way to go. But if you need advanced options and control, anything LLM is your best choice. When it comes to features, OpenWebUI shines with its simplicity. It has a clean design and easy navigation. Anything LLM, however, offers powerful tools for fine tuning and experimentation. In terms of pricing, OpenWebUI is often more affordable, making it accessible for individuals or small teams. Anything LLM may be pricier but provides more extensive capabilities. So, who should choose what? If you're just starting or need a simple solution, go for OpenWebUI. But if you are an experienced user looking for depth and customization, anything LLM is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.